Compassion. It's a word we hear a lot about these days. Yet despite our best efforts, good intentions, and a convincing body of evidence, compassion is being depleted from the healthcare systems, educational institutions, and patient care. There is now a convincing body of scientific evidence demonstrating that when we are able to express compassion in our professional work, it enhances the well-being of others as well as ourselves. The SCQ allows researchers and health system analysts to measure, monitor, benchmark, and improve compassion at a clinic, site, and organizational level. What erodes the well-being of healthcare providers is wanting to provide compassion in their workplaces, but not being able to do so. ENACT is a compassion training program that's powered by science and is tailored for individual learners who work in the realities of our increasingly challenged healthcare system and fast-paced, high-stake care cultures. Compassion is good medicine for all parties that are involved. Patients want it, healthcare providers desire to provide it, organizations who embody it have higher workplace well-being, and as humans, we need it to flourish. Let's cultivate your compassion and create the workplace conditions where it can flourish.